This video is for training for the WCP dispatcher software. And double click on it, open it up, it should automatically connect. And see the map. And of course we're only testing with a couple of radios, so this is the notification area where it'll show the data that the system is gathering. Next we're going to try to pull a unit here. Go to GPS position. You see it's sending it failed. That's probably the reason why, is because it was sending the information. And every time that goes red, lets you know there's a notification. Next, I'm going to show you some cool features with the map. You got the zoom and center functions. So if you're off the map and you select the unit and click center, it actually centers that unit around the screen. Another cool feature is if you're zoomed all the way out here, and you click zoom, obviously it zooms in to the unit. Another neat feature is you can actually save map areas. This area here, I saved it. I'm going to zoom out over somewhere else. And then you want to go snap right back to that map. You just click on what you just created and boom, you're right back to where you originally was. You right click on that and hit delete to delete that extra spot. These tabs right here, you can turn off whatever colored dots. This right here gives you the different options that you can show on the map. Asterisk A means that it shows the address. So we're just going to delete that off there real quick. Click OK. As you can see, the address has gone off that section. I'm just going to put it back real quick. Just type in asterisk A. And it shows the address again. Next I'm going to show you is the settings. Most of the stuff just doesn't be messed with. Just make sure that auto connect and auto center emergency and bring the front of emergency is all checked. Then make sure that you get the emergency notifications as soon as possible. Next is GPS search. This is where you're going to run the reports. You either do a specific device. You can change the date and the time of the start to report, the sprite events, the stop arm, ignition start. Currently, however, this does not show emergencies. That is something that Tallysman is aware of, and we will get that fixed, I believe. Of course, on the left we got the map history. You click on the play button, he'll go through and you'll actually watch the units literally drive around the map. Obviously we didn't really have this unit in the vehicle, so it stays in the exact same spot. However, you can see the time change on it. You can actually speed the time up or however you want. Also, you can change the map view. However, this is probably the best view. That way you get the satellite view along with the address and the streets. Next is the printable report section. This actually puts it in an Excel type of database. Of course, with here you can select which columns you want it to show. All these different instances, you just have to slide them over to the right and it'll actually populate on the report, or you can slide them to the left and take them off the report. And you have to hit apply filter, and it applies that change. As you can see, I added IO. With print, you can tell it to print directly to your printer. Or you can export it to Excel or PDF, or it doesn't do anything. Alright, shows you the settings. That should be the speed automatically configured to connect. See, yeah, there it goes, it sent it. That's what it does when it actually pulls the unit and sends it, and this gives you up-to-date information about that unit. You can see where I asked that report requested. And actually I tested the radio for receive emergency. However, I think that radio is not added to our list because this is a demo unit. Let me see if I can get another unit to declare emergency. I'll show you that. There it went. See, it automatically went to the menu, to the map. It shows declared emergency. And notification, you'll see it. For some reason, the map's overlaying it right now. My computer's running a little slow. You see it, emergency. Now this, when it gets an emergency, it also will send an email to whoever recipients are in the actual server. And it will automatically center on the map and actually zoom in on the bus where it's at that point in time. And it also sends a link in the email, so if whoever gets that email, if they're out and about, they can bring it up on their cell phone. Next, I'm going to show you how to manage the notifications. This tool, you can set colors, you can set sound notifications. Here I set the emergency to red. Let's change the sound to a chime. This box on the right, if you check mark it, the chime will continue until you hit the notification tab at the top here. Devices, this is what shows the devices that are currently connected. think that's pretty much it. It's a fairly simple software, and another thing about it is if you close it down, it loses the notifications, but they are stored into the database, so you can always go and search for anything. It populates on the report there.